Feel him take off again? Keep your feet there. There you go. Good. Again. There you go. Feel the stride get uncomfortable? When he collects himself, feel it get smoother?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what you want to do, is make his stride smooth for you. Is it smooth? There you go. Attaboy. When you're going, look at the hoof prints you want to put his feet in. Okay?
Okay.
So figure out exactly which hoof print you want to put his feet in, and you'll start riding there. So all I want to see is, see how wide your tracks got?
Yep.
I want you in the middle of that track.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you coming inside. I don't want to see you coming outside. Just because you gave yourself a wider tightrope don't mean it's right. Okay.
He's just kind of going along.
His body's going all.
His back end going in and out.
Yeah, he's going like this the whole time. That's why he can't travel on that circle, because his body's moving in and out, in and out, in and out.
So is that my legs or my hand?
Well, feel between your. It's not your hand. Just feel in between your legs. Pick him up again, and just feel that he steadies his body out and stays on that track. There you go. Feel that now? Yeah. Feel him stabilize. There. There. There you go. It's like if you're riding your motorcycle and you're going down the street and it's doing this.
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Flip it off.
You're going to drop your hand and hit the accelerator harder? Okay?
Yeah.
So feel what's going on underneath your seat. You ever get on the freeway and they got those grooves cut in there and your bike wants to take the grooves?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So feel that with him. It's the same thing. He's got to line up. Attaboy. There. Feel the difference? Make it so you feel that it's positive. That's it. Nice. Attaboy. Attaboy. Move your hip over to the left a little bit more. That's it. Good. Nice. Now feel your body stop moving around.
Yeah.
Now you're making the adjustment so he stays between your legs and between your hands. If it doesn't feel right, it ain't right.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay? And the more you make him responsible to stay in between your legs and your hands, that's it. Good. You made the adjustment yourself. You felt yourself getting over on that right side.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it. And now ask him to stop.
Whoa.
Good.
Back. I'm going to squeeze with my legs, and then we're going to back up, and then when I want him to turn, I'm going to release the pressure on my right leg.
Okay. And we're going to start off with what? Our left, just know that our left leg's going to come in first. And his head's got to stay straight.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Make his feet move. Make him move. Attaboy, good. You're pulling, there you go. Release, you want to release your right leg more. See your calf still next to him?
Yeah.
And what you're doing is you're trying to pull him around there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your hand went from you're pulling back here, and when you went to turn, your hand went like this.
Yeah.
Now watch. See, he ain't gonna turn, is he?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm coming here. Now watch. I'm gonna release. Now it's my leg that makes him turn. Now see my right leg's away.
Yeah.
You see my left leg?
Mm-hmm.
My left leg's what's making him turn because what it's doing is pushing that leg back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? It's not my hand making him turn.
Yeah.
My hand's keeping his body right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? All right, let's trot off on this circle now. So we're going to start off with which leg first?
Left.
Okay. Look where you want to go. You got your right leg on him. There you go. Look, where's his head? There you go. Look where you want. Both legs now. Lighten your hand up a little bit. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Good. There you go. Good. And remember, at any point there, I don't want to loosen my legs up at all once I start, when I'm trying to make him go like that, okay?
Just keep him there, huh?
Yeah, you just got to keep him there because what he knows is wherever your release starts, wherever you release him, he thinks that's what you're looking for, okay? That's his thought process. Attaboy. Where's his head? Head a little bit to the left. Want it straight. There you go. Look for those tracks you want to place him in. Nice. That's better. How much better is that?
That's good.
Yeah, really good. Good job. Attaboy. Attaboy. That's it. You pick the rhythm. Make sure he's between everything. He's not bouncing around. Not wobbly. Attaboy. There you go. Now feel the difference with your body now?
Yeah.
You're not leaning an ounce when you feel him going somewhere. You're making the adjustments. Beautiful. Did Rick put his credit card information in on this?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Okay.
right away.
When Rick streams this, do you have him pay by the minute, or does he just do like a flat?
No, he's paying by the minute.
That's good, because he's probably learning a lot, right?
He keeps
We
asking
just don't want to
for.
know what he's doing on the other side of the camera, that's all.
Yeah. He keeps asking for a flat fee,
Yeah.
but Steve said no, absolutely not.
I was trying to get Crystal to forward the link to all your employees. I was going to give them 30 minutes free access. At the height of it, just when you start, just as the tears start to roll down your face.
Yeah, I know. That's the last thing I need. They're already bastards already.
That's it. Good. Nice. That's it. Perfect. Attaboy. You can feel if his head comes over to the right just too much, then feel the difference.
Mm-hmm.
That's where you want to find where it's even. That's where you want to release him, is where he feels right. Okay, is where you release with your hand and your leg. There, you feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, there. Now where'd his head go?
Down.
Okay. So that's what you're looking for. When he's right, his head's going to go down, and that's where he's going to line up. There you go. And remember, you're the one feeling. I can't feel from here, so you have to know where that release is when you feel that it's right. Okay? You're doing awesome right now. Attaboy. Arr. That's it. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Attaboy. 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 Very good. There you go. Nah, it's going to stop.
Whoa.
Good. Feel that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just concentrating on his head and...
You feel the positive movement that makes?
Yeah.
All of a sudden you just...
Yeah, and keeping it in check all the time. Always using the leg pressure just to keep that head lined up and it keeps it from getting away.
Yeah.
Rick will incorporate a little drum roll for that.
It'd be nice if it stayed like this all summer, huh?
Oh,
Yeah,
No
it's
sun
perfect.
until like noon or whatever.
yeah, we were pretty lucky last year.